Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Elite Griddler. The Cuisinart GR300 WSP1 Elite Griddler is a versatile 6-in-1 appliance for all your cooking needs. Its reversible non-stick plates allow grilling, griddling, panini pressing, and more with ease. Adjustable temperature controls and sear function ensure precise cooking results every time. The sleek stainless steel design is durable and complements any kitchen. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's your all-in-one solution for flavorful meals. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a powerful and versatile tool for effortless mixing. With 6-speed settings, it provides the perfect control for blending, whisking, and whipping tasks. Its 250-watt motor easily handles everything from light batters to thick doughs. The Quick Burst button offers an extra boost of power when needed. The lightweight design and comfortable handle ensure easy maneuvering during extended use. It comes with durable beaters and whisk attachments, perfect for a variety of recipes. A snap-on storage case keeps attachments organized and prevents clutter. The eject button allows for quick and mess-free removal of beaters. Compact and easy to store, it fits neatly in any kitchen space. Simplify your baking and cooking with the reliable Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. The Zule Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is an exceptional blend of practicality and style, catering to those who appreciate hydration with a flavorful twist. Constructed from durable Tritan material, this bottle stands out with its sleek jet black finish, offering both aesthetic appeal and functionality. With a capacity of 34 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance for those on the go, whether traveling, hiking, or engaging in fitness activities. This water bottle is designed for easy use, featuring a built-in infuser that allows you to enhance your water with fresh fruits, herbs, or vegetables. This unique feature not only encourages healthier hydration habits, but also enables users to explore a variety of flavor combinations, making drinking water a more enjoyable experience. The infuser component is easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning process, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its quality. Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Food-Safe Baking Mat. The Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Baking Mat set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This pack of 4 mats is made from food-safe silicone, ensuring safe and reliable use with all your favorite recipes. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for cooking sprays or parchment paper, making baking healthier and more eco-friendly. Heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, these mats are perfect for cookies, pastries, roasted vegetables, and more. Designed to fit standard baking sheets, they simplify cleanup and prevent food from sticking. The durable silicone construction ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. Easy to clean, they're dishwasher-safe and reusable for countless bakes. Lightweight and flexible, they store easily in small spaces. Ideal for both novice and experienced bakers, these mats offer convenience and versatility. Upgrade your baking essentials with the Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat Set. Vegetable Chopper. The once-for-all safe mandolin slicer 5-in-1 is a versatile kitchen tool designed for safe, efficient slicing and chopping. Its innovative safety design keeps your hands protected while effortlessly slicing vegetables, fruits, and more. With 5 interchangeable blades, it offers multiple cutting styles, including julienne, dicing, and slicing, for all your culinary needs. The compact design includes a built-in container to catch food, keeping your workspace tidy. Made with durable, food-grade materials, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy cleaning. Non-slip feet provide stability during use, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation. Perfect for meal prep, it saves time and effort in the kitchen. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for small spaces or on-the-go use. Simplify cooking with this all-in-one, user-friendly slicer. Elite Gourmet Toaster. The Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster combines functionality and style for your kitchen. Its extra long slots are designed to accommodate a variety of bread sizes, from standard slices to artisan and specialty loaves. With 6 adjustable browning levels, you can achieve the perfect toast every time. The toaster features a reheat, defrost, and cancel function for versatile toasting options. Its stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern touch to any countertop. The built-in warming rack is perfect for heating pastries or keeping toast warm. A convenient slide-out crumb tray ensures easy cleanup after use. The cool touch exterior enhances safety during operation. Compact yet efficient, it's ideal for busy mornings or family breakfasts. Enjoy perfectly toasted bread with the Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster. Coffee Mug Warmer. The Kosori Coffee Mug Warmer mug set is the ultimate solution for keeping your beverages at the perfect temperature. Featuring an advanced heating plate, it ensures your coffee, tea, or cocoa stays warm for hours. The included stainless steel mug, with a cool touch handle and spill-resistant lid, enhances your drinking experience. Precise temperature controls allow you to customize your warmth preference, from mild to hot. Designed with a sleek, compact profile, it fits seamlessly on any desk or countertop. The LED display adds a modern touch while offering easy operation. Automatic shutoff ensures safety and energy efficiency. Perfect for home, office, or gifting, it combines functionality with style. Enjoy every sip at your own pace with this innovative warmer set. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker is the ultimate tool for quick and delicious homemade breakfasts. In just 5 minutes, it assembles a hot, customizable sandwich with your favorite ingredients. Designed with non-stick plates, it allows for easy cooking and effortless cleanup. The compact design fits neatly on any countertop, making it perfect for busy kitchens, dorms, or small spaces. Its innovative design cooks all layers, bread, eggs, cheese, and meats simultaneously, ensuring a perfectly balanced sandwich every time. A built-in timer with an audible beep eliminates guesswork for foolproof results. The removable parts are dishwasher safe, saving time and effort. Ideal for English muffins, bagels, or small rolls, it offers endless breakfast possibilities. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store or take on the go. Simplify your mornings with the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. eHomey Countertop Ice Maker Machine. The eHomey Countertop Ice Maker Machine is a sleek and efficient solution for producing fresh ice at home or on the go. With the ability to make up to 26 pounds of ice per day, it's perfect for parties, gatherings, or daily use. This compact machine produces 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, keeping your drinks cold and refreshing. Its intuitive control panel features a one-touch operation for hassle-free use. The transparent lid lets you monitor the ice-making process, while the removable basket and scoop simplify serving and storage. Energy efficient and quiet, it ensures minimal disruption in any setting. The machine offers 2 ice size options to suit your needs. Lightweight and portable, it fits seamlessly on countertops or in RVs. Easy to clean and maintain, it's designed for convenience and reliability. Enhance your ice making experience with the EU Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine. Cuisinart Food Processor. The Cuisinart Food Processor is a versatile kitchen essential designed to simplify meal prep and enhance your cooking experience. Equipped with a powerful motor, it handles everything from chopping and slicing to shredding and pureeing with ease. Its large-capacity work bowl accommodates a variety of recipes, perfect for family meals or entertaining. The stainless steel blades deliver precision and durability, ensuring consistent results every time. Intuitive controls make operations simple, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. The sleek design complements any kitchen, while dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. With multiple attachments included, it offers endless culinary possibilities. Compact yet powerful, this food processor is built to last. Elevate your cooking with the efficiency and reliability of Cuisinart. Electric Fondue Pot. The Nostalgia 6-cup electric fondue pot set is the perfect centerpiece for your next gathering. Crafted with a sleek design, it accommodates up to 6 cups of your favorite fondue creations, from creamy cheese to rich chocolate. The adjustable temperature control ensures precise heating, while the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. Its sturdy base and cool-touch handles offer safe and easy handling. 6 color-coded forks are included, making it ideal for sharing with family and friends. Whether hosting a party or enjoying a cozy night in, this fondue pot brings people together. Portable and convenient, it's perfect for any occasion. Indulge in delicious, interactive dining with this versatile fondue set.